This KSi SeedConnex training will cover seed sources. To access seed sources through SeedConnex, select the seed sources text from the navigation bar. This will open up all of the seed sources that are set up on the KSi Automation system for the treatment machine that we have selected, which in this case is KSi Demo, as you can see from this drop-down box. From here, we can see that we have 5 bins set up in one box. When you select a seed source from the table on the left, it will populate the form on the right. And from here, we can either edit that information by pressing the edit button, which will make the forms editable. And we can change any of this information. I change the inventory from 3,000 to 5,000 and press save. We'll get a dialog box saying that that save was successful. We can also add a new seed source from here as well. One of the things that will be done from here is editing or adding the correct seed source to the seed, or the correct seed variety to the seed source. To do this, select the seed source and click Edit. There is a seed variety field or seed variety label here with a drop down of all of the setup seed varieties. You can see that we have a variety called seed variety, variety 1, variety 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. To access the seed variety table, click the table button beside the seed variety drop-down box. This will open up all of the seed varieties that we have set up in SeedConnex. You can see that we have 2 seed varieties that show up right here under the user entered radio button, seed variety and variety 1, 2, 3. To add a variety or to edit a variety, select the variety and then click Add, Edit, or Delete from the buttons on the bottom right of the form. There are also a manufacturer list of varieties. If you select the manufacturer list, you will see the list of varieties that are set up with the system. With this system, we have 5 varieties that are already set up and pulled into the system from the manufacturer. To add manufacturer varieties, click the Add button and then select the manufacturer that your machine has access to. In this case, this machine is set up to access the demo manufacturer seed varieties. When we select this, the manufacturer variety and brand of seed will populate with the varieties that are available to us from that manufacturer. In this case, we have already added all of these varieties, so we will not add another one. If we were, we would select the variety and then fill out the information and press save. Once all the varieties are added to the system, you can close out of the seed variety config table. The next step is to make sure that you have the varieties in the right seed source to associate and match up the seed variety with either the bin or the box that you have set up. To do this, select the bin or select the seed source from the table on the left by clicking on that row. Click Edit, and then from this drop-down box, select the variety that will be stored in that bin. We'll select variety 1 as the seed that will be stored in bin 1 and save that. Once that save is successful, we will get a dialog box telling that that save was successful. We will go through the other seed sources and set them up correctly as well. We'll set bin 3 up with variety 3, bin 4 with variety 4, bin 5 with variety 5, and we will set the box up with variety 5 as well. Notice that multiple seed sources can have the same seed variety. It is possible to have the same seed variety in the same bin or in the same box as another source. At this point, we have all of our bins and our boxes set up with the appropriate seed variety. If we navigate to our KSi Automation system, to the seed sources, we can see that the data that we have set up here will mirror what we just set up in SeedConnex. Bin 1 has variety 1, bin 2 is set up with variety 2, and so on. At this point, your seed sources page is set up correctly.